Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. Wanted to reach out with this short video. Some of y'all have been asking me some comments or asking me some questions in the comments about automatic transmission fluid changes. One of the questions that I got was the shop that I took it to, they dropped the pan, they put a new filter in it, and then they installed the pan, and basically it's got half old fluid and half new fluid because they didn't do anything with the old oil that was trapped inside the torque converter. And the question was, how often should I change that? Great question. Honestly, think of it this way. You still got half old and half new. And then when the vehicle starts up, that's all going to be meshed together like that. Is the oil cleaner than it was before? Absolutely. Is it as clean as it should be? No, it's not. So the transmission fluid exchange using the machine is actually going to pull all the oil out of the torque converter as well as out of the transmission. Once all that old fluid is removed, then it's going to be able to install the new fluid with the conditioner, and then the transmission is going to be clean. So in reference to the question that was asked, I would definitely recommend still doing a transmission fluid exchange, or at the very, very minimum, I do another drain and fill, just so that a majority of the oil that's left in that system is then going to be brand new oil. So I will catch you in the next video. See ya.